Hey, welcome back. Yesterday, pretty bad day for Oklahoma. Probably had 20 plus tornadoes hit the state. You've probably seen the video from Sulphur where it looks like someone drove a gigantic bulldozer down Main Street and destroyed their downtown. Reports were that Ardmore lost their high school and some other towns, Holdenville and Wewoka. What was the other one? Anyway, big tornadoes hit. We had some dust ups here. They kept saying they were tornadoes, but then they probably weren't, you know, F0 or whatever. They had debris clouds, but they weren't really all that impressive. Maybe some houses lost again in coal. We thought they were going to hit Newcastle. They were coming up the highway with a variance where it would have cut right across us, but got up there to Blanchard, made a right turn and hit coal again. Apparently hit the same place it hit last time, which was just a few months ago. So just part of living in Oklahoma. You got to put up with that too. So anyway, send out some prayers for those people, and if you see a way to contribute to the Red Cross or whatever for them, you know, it's very appreciated. The Oklahoma Standard will take a place, and people will jump and reach out as much as they possibly can here and take care of each other. We're noted for that. You've probably seen that in the news many times. So, okay, so I'll back off the somber note. Let's get back to even more somber note where we have this nightmare we're dealing with. Blah. All right, today is that hole right there. Goal is to get a patch on that and get that finished. In order to get that done, we're gonna have to come in here. We're gonna cut this panel out right here. We're going to fix this shelf as best we can and determine if that shelf ledge is going to be salvageable. That's our goal for today. Let's get started. Gloves. That was not good. Let's do it again. That has a terrible smell to it. I must have cut something I shouldn't have. Maybe I'm on fire. Yeah, could be it. Okay. Fire trucks, ambulances, not for me. This time. Okay, I've never had that happen. Got a spark go right in my ear canal. I can tell you that was very unpleasant, and it still hurts. struggle bus. Got a piece I can't get to, I can't cut it. Saw's too big. I went looking for a air one this week. I found one, but it was made in China. I'm going to try to avoid that if I can. But it was way expensive, so... buying some from somewhere else is going to be expensive. Anyway. Nice. All right. That is not working. There we go. We're getting somewhere. One corner off. Corner two off. Come on, Bubba. Come on. Come on. Come on. That shelf is ugly looking. As you can well imagine, that's pretty toasty. It looks pretty bad from here. Hey, big chunk fell off. Little chunk fell off. So you can see that was really bad. Pretty bad shape. Nice. More trash. Full of trash heap. All right, let's get some thing going on here. Let's see what's gonna happen there. Grinder or wire wheel? That's the question. Let's start with wire wheel. No, let's start with grinder. We've got cutting disc loaded up. Let's start with cutting disc. We're winging it anyway, whatever. It's warm in here. It is warm in here. I need a fan blowing. Sun came out and the humidity went up about 20 points, so it got kind of sticky all of a sudden. All right, let's get back to this. So, cutting on that has revealed nothing. No, there's a bunch of crap in there. Let's get some tools. Let's get this tool cleaned off. Clean tool. Yes, what did we expect to find in there? Lots of seam sealer. And that's what's in there. Indeed. Alright, shelf looks pretty intact. There's a lot of rusted metals attached to it. And a bunch of seam sealer. It's going to have to be removed. I think this is a job for air chisel. Air chisel for the win, I think. Alright, air chisel. Time for the air chisel. Always lube your tool before you use it. Looks like that was welded in place. Is that screws? What on earth? That's what I'm talking about. Some kind of welding, I think. too much of that from the bottom because I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, shelf looks pretty good. Little bit of surface rust. Does not look like it needs to be cut loose. That's a win. That's a win for the Okierover team. All right, let's see if we can get more of this stuff out of here. We may need to get a smaller hammer, mechanical type, 1 each, and go at it. Maybe. I'm sticking the air chisel in that gap right there. We'll see what happens. There's a lot of schmuck in there. Somebody got crazy with the cheese whiz. Pull that out, I think. I don't think I can get that out with the tool. Yeah, that looks like 2 weld points right there. They are globbed fairly heavily with globbage. All right, so this looks bigger on the other side than it was originally. So this back side, can you see that? I don't know. So this is bigger. There's a hole there that is making that longer. So that cut on this side is going to be much larger. There's something hiding here. So that cut is going to go across to here and over to there and then there. So that's going to be the next job on this side. So I'm going to cut it from this side. Gloves, safety second. My damn gloves. Where'd you take your gloves off at? Okay, I'd say that was moderately successful. Need to grab that with something and try to pry it out of there. Pliers! Get some! Get some! Hey, look at that. Hey, look at that. That's almost working. Get it! Get it! Get it! Arrgh. Okay. Damn. That'd be welded. That'd be welded in place. That'd be welded. Let's see if we can tear it. Don't know my own strength. Oh. Not tearing. Tearing and not working so much. Get some. Get it. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Torn, but left too much in place. Curses! Alright, dang it. Dang it. Drips. Meh. What to do? What to do? Not sure on that one. Got a lot of schmuck on my screen. Like a lot. That does not want to come off. Let's give it some gentle persuasion. pretty confident that's not how those things are designed to be used. But it's off. So we're gonna get some wire wheel action on it and get that rust out of there. Whoop! Man down! So let's get that rust out of there. And then we'll paint that with some primer and call that good, because we're gonna patch over the top of it. I'm gonna hammer the back side of that, push it out so the patch will fit. Let's the blend. Let's make a template. Don't need that much paper. Very nice. Nice. Oh, I cut that mostly straight too. I'm pretty proud of myself with that. Okay. Let's see what we got there. That doesn't look very good. We'll cut it and see what happens. Scissors in hand. Don't go anywhere. Okay, pretty far off on the corner there. Let's start over. No, that's probably good if I can make the piece the same size. Because you need something to be able to weld to. So there needs to be a gap between the two panels. That might be close, but we'll start with this. Go! Maybe. Let's see if it works, Bob. Okay, back in here. Alrighty then. Get settled in. Whoop, down there. Well, how about that? Nope, let's try it upside down. This is the hard part, getting it to sit in there long enough to test it, see if it's right. And it's not flat, so there's like issues. I need to take just a little bit off this bottom edge right over here. I'm gonna do it with a grinder. Ow, it was hot. The side what am I doing? Should have marked this sucker. Get that. Hey now. Hey now. A little bit more off there and we're all set. It's hot even through my gloves. Oh, look at that! I am the smartest man. Oh, wait, hold on, that needs to come off a little bit more. different ways can I put this in that hole and make sure it fits right. Let's say 12. Okay. Oh, that's definitely it. Let's mark it. Okie dokie. Yay me. All right, I feel pretty solid about that. All right, let's set that aside. Now we're gonna get the wire wheel out and we're going to come to town on that. See if we can get that sorted. I'm gonna cut that weld off right there. I don't know how, but I'm going to. The camera's gonna have to move, that's for sure. That was no challenge. That offered zero challenge. All right, it's wire wheel time. Okay, the goal is a watertight weld here. That's the goal. I've got that, it's very pitted, but I got it as clean as I can get it, and I have a clean side all the way around. That's disturbing right there, that little notch. I wonder if I can fill it with weld. Oh, I don't know. We're gonna find out. That's for dang sure. Nice. Gross. Curses. I don't know. I don't know, Bob. All right, banging. Gotta bang on. Bang on it a little bit more. All right, let's weld that cut and see if we get anywhere with it. Glove. Safety second. Where's my other glove? Maybe too hot. Those welds sucked because I didn't turn my gas on.